This is Roy's 1972 BMW 2002 with a Schnitzer S14 motor, 2.5 liter European stroker motor, completely restored and tweaked.
Yeah, motorsport block.
You get no sleep. You know, if you're in the better times, if you're up in the top of the times, you get out earlier. You get to the next track earlier, you might be able to get to the town. So, you know, the further back you are, they run you according to where you are in the time. Overall time. So if you're towards the back half, you don't get out of there till like 5, 6 o'clock at night. You got to be at the next track the next day at 7 in the morning. You might have a 9-hour drive.
So you really have to work hard to. So how did you do?
Yeah, we came in 4th in class.
How many?
There were 14.
How many in your
Just two. Took the back seat up, we bent in the back, so one guy could sleep back there. And then we had one spare tire in the back. It was wild. It was a lot of fun. I'd like to do it again. And this one I just started on the show. That was in Richmond. It was an Arizona show. The outside.
Yeah, there's a. Well, spend a lot of time on.
You might have to take your glasses off.